The poem name is Ode to a Nightingale, poet John Keats, and Recitation-Chinmayee Mitra. My heart stays and a dragon numbers pain. My sense as through of hemlock I had drunk, or emptied some dull opiate to the drains. All minute passed, and late words had sung. 'Tis not through envy of the happy lot, but being too happy in thin happiness, that thou, light winged rain of the true, some melodious plot of beaten green and shadows numberless, singest of summer in full throated ace, of for a drought of winters that has been cold a long age in the deep telephone art, testing of flora and the counter green, dance and province sing, and sovereign breathe, oh for a vicar full of the warm south, full of the true, the blissful hypocrite, with beaded bubbles swinging off the brim, and purple stained mouth that I might drink and leave the world unseen, and wish to fade away into the forest dim, fade forever, dissolve and quite forget what thou among the leaves hast never known. Thou worries, the fever, and the freight. Here one man sit and here each other grand, while pulse shakes a few sad lost grey hairs, where youth grows sparse and spectral thin and ties, while but to think is to be full of sorrow and leaden our despair, where beauty cannot keep your lustrous eyes, a new love pine at them beyond tomorrow. Away, away, for I will fly to the not cheered by virtues and his parts, but on the viewless wings of poesy, through the dull brain perplexes and Peters. Already with thee, tender is the night, and half is the queen moon in on her throne, clustered around by all her steady face. But here there is no light, save what from heaven is with the winding mossy ways. I cannot say what flowers are at my feet, not what soft incense hangs upon the brow, but each implant darkness gets each sweet, wherewith the seasonable mouth endows the grass, the thicket, and the fruit tree wall, white how thrown, and the pastel yielding phosphoring violets covered up in leaves. And mid-May, eldest child, the coming marks rose, full of dairy wine, the murmurs haunt of flies on summer eves, darkling a lesson, and for many a time I have been half in love with its full death, called him soft name in many a mouse dream, to take into the air my quiet breath, now more than ever seems it reached to try, to kiss on the midnight with no pain, while the world pouring forth thy soul abroad in such an eccentricity, still would not thou sing, and I have yours in vain. To thy high when became sad, that was now bound for death, immortal birth, no hungry generations strayed thee down. The voice I heard this passing night was word heard in ancient days, my emperor and clown, perhaps the self-same song that found a path through the sad heart of Ruth when sing for home. She stood in tears, am I, the ally scorn, the same that often had charmed magic, says me, opening on the foam, Oh, perilous sea and fury lands follows the very word in like a veil, to tell me that from thee to my soul self, adieu, the fancy cannot cheat so well as she has found to tell, deceiving elf. Adieu, adieu, thy plaintive and thy fairest past, the near meadows over the still stream of the hillside, and now 'tis very deep in the next valley glass. Was it a vision or a walking dream?